The Enerkey Invisible Fast Wireless Charger. Discreetly charge your smartphone with the Enerkey Invisible Fast Wireless Charger, offering a unique wireless charging experience. This device hides under the table, so you can simply rest your device on the top, turning any furniture into a fast wireless charging station. Compatible with more than 100 smartphones, this device works with the most of the new iPhones and Samsung phones and many more. Offering fast 10-watt charging, Enerkey helps device power up faster. Featuring a new construction design, Enerkey attaches under any surface using its reusable adhesive or screw mount. In addition, Enerkey charges through any non-metal surface, thick cases and pop sockets up to 40mm thick. Moreover, fast wireless charger provides auto smartphone detection, keeping the charger in sleep mode if any metal such as keys or coins are detected. Thanks to the eco-cooling design, both the charger and smartphone stay cool during the use. Defold Origami Bottle is the most compact, stable and elegant collapsible bottle, and it is also kickstarting a bigger reuse refold revolution. It is a flagship product that comes out with collapsible design technology and opens up a whole new foldable reusable world. It holds up 25 ounces, that is 750ml of water, folding at 80% when empty. Defilled Origami Bottle elegantly fits in your purse, backpack or suitcase. The main body is made up of high quality durable TPC polymer. After many stress tests, Origami Bottle has proven to be very strong. Also on folding crisis. Most durability tests are planned before mass production to estimate its lifespan in years. Laser Keyboard. This product is designed in such a way that it looks like a power bank, but it also has a unique feature, which is its laser keyboard or airscreen keyboard as they call it. There are two LED lights here in the front and a sensor below that which detects the keyboard. You have to hold the power button for 2 or 3 seconds to switch on the gadget, and this instantly activates the laser keyboard. This keyboard has all the standard keys that you get to see in the normal keyboard. This is easily connected to Android and iOS phones. First of all, you have to pair the device with your phone's Bluetooth, after which you use this laser keyboard for typing on your phone or tablet which you have paired with this gadget. No Cry gloves. Guys, I'm sure you are going to love the next item, especially those who spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Kitchen work often involves cutting vegetables and fruits, and that means you occasionally have those accidental cuts and bruises. Our next product comes to your rescue in such situations. This is a cut-proof gloves, and even sharpest of the knife do not make much of this impact on these gloves. These No Cry gloves are very comfortable to wear, and you can wear them for a long time without any discomfort at all. These gloves are very durable too. The world has advanced by leaps and bounces over the past few years in almost every aspect of life. But as far as the lock technology is concerned, it hasn't evolved much since centuries. You misplace or forget your keys sometimes, or you forget the lock combination. The next gadget now in the list is made keeping these factors in mind. So guys, this is a smart lock which you can unlock using your smartphone. This is based on wireless technology and it is easy to use this product. You need to install the app link to this lock. This app has a lot of features. One of the features is lock position. On selecting this feature on app, the smartphone will point out towards the location of the lock, and as soon as the phone comes in the range of the lock, it will get unlocked automatically using Bluetooth. You do not even have to pull your mobile phone out of your pocket to use this feature. Once it is paired with the mobile's Bluetooth, it will automatically unlock when in range. Another great feature of this app that you can add your friends or family members to this, after which even they can use the app to lock or unlock it. There is one additional security feature in this, and that is the ability to unlock it manually by using a double tap or single tap in a pattern code that you can set. This gadget runs on the replacement battery, which could be easily last for more than a year. If the battery drains out, not to worry, because you can easily unlock it using the manual tap mentioned earlier. You can easily change the battery and you won't need any special tools to do so either. This gadget gets easily connected to any Android or iOS device. Wireless earbuds. Guys, these are the most compact earbuds in the world. These earbuds are made keeping those folks in mind who do not like the hassles of carrying a wired headphone along with them. These earbuds come with the aluminum case which has a silky smooth finish. It has inbuilt battery so that whenever you are not using this earbud, it is being charged up in the stylish case. This device is coated based on the nano waterproof technology so that you can use it in water too. If you are wondering about the sound quality, then this product has high quality speakers which gives you a great sound clarity and awesome bass. This is so compact that you can easily carry it around without much hassle. NeckFit. The next is another awesome product, especially if you are outdoor beach type person or someone who goes for swimming regularly. These are the two places where you do not wear footwear normally. So guys, you can use this interesting product in such places. This has been designed by keeping your comfort as a primary focus. This sticks on your feet as a layer of protective skin, which means you don't have to wear any other footwear over it. You can wear this on any type of surface. Not just that, you can go for a swim wearing this NeckFit, but you can wear this only once, as this is a use and throw type product. This NeckFit is available in lot of colors which you can get to choose from, and you can buy one of these according to your preferred color choice. Ice Genie. We use ice trays in the freezer to prepare ice cubes, but it is very difficult to remove these cubes from the trays. Also, if you need higher number of ice cubes, then that is a challenge, as you get only a limited number of cubes from those trays. So guys, you can now use the special rubber based product called Ice Genie as a solution to such issues. You can simply pour water and get up to 120 ice cubes at one go. It is very easy to use. Just lift this cover and press, and since this is a compact product, it won't take up much of your space in the freezer too. Since this product is made of rubber, it speeds up the formation of ice compared to the plastic ones. Also, there is a space given in the center to keep your cans or bottles to chill them, or perhaps keep that tub of ice cream too. This product definitely can be of much use to you in your daily life. Rigid Gimbal. Many of you who love making videos using your phones must be aware that no matter how hard you try, it ends up giving shaky videos when shooting handheld. So here's a Rigid Gimbal which helps you to solve this problem of shaky handheld videos. You simply need to slide in your phone or your GoPro and you are ready to create some awesome videos that are steady no matter how much your hand moves or shakes. You can shoot videos at any angle using the Rigid Gimbal. This is the only gimbal for mobile which continues shooting without changing its position. You can connect it via Bluetooth and switch between the photos and video modes without touching your smartphone at all. You can also zoom in and zoom out using the gimbal. There is also an inbuilt power bank in this which helps to charge the mobile phones while on the go. This gimbal has an auto track function which can be used to focus on any person easily. Card Sharp Knife. We use knives a lot in our daily life. Now what I am going to show you is also a knife, but it is a unique one. Its design is different from the usual ones that we see, as it is designed in the shape of credit card. This looks very attractive. Whenever you want to convert this from its ATM card shape to a knife, you simply need to collapse this button present on the product and your knife is ready to cut anything you want. This product is very sharp, lightweight and surprisingly compact in size. As a result, you can easily carry this around in your wallet or pocket. Swimming goggles. So guys, if you are a swimmer, then you must be aware that while training alone, it is very difficult to keep the track of exact time while focusing on the swimming, and hence you may not get the exact performance analysis. So friends, in such a scenario, you can use this awesome goggle. With this, you are able to see clearly when inside the water. You also get to see your real-time performance stats in the goggles. It sends all the information to your smartphone, to which you can later use to analyze your performance. If you are a swimmer or you are someone who wants to start your swimming classes, then a gadget like this is a blessing for you. Guys, this will act like a mini coach for you. Multi-toolkit. When I said toolkit, you must have thought that I am going to show you a big box with tons of tools inside. Well, I am afraid you are wrong if you have thought so, as this toolbox is actually smarter than what the mobile phone. There are a lot of spanners and screwdrivers available which comes in different sizes, and this is a product which I would surely recommend to a car user or a person who loves DIY. This is the compact foldable kit in spite of accommodating so many tools for different purposes. It is so lightweight that you can easily carry it around in your pocket. There are a lot of alternatives available for this product, so I am providing the link in the description.